It's said that over 100 recipes were made for this film, all under the guidance of a woman named Lin Huiyi, a food consultant and daughter-in-law of Pei Mei, who was China's preeminent food expert at the time. Yi hand-selected most of the recipes and instructed the actors in how a real chef would handle and prepare the food. A job magnificently done, I'd say. And that was Chinese actor Shi Hung-lung playing the father in this film. This was one of 4 times that he and director Ang Lee worked together. Those other collaborations being Pushing Hands from 1992, 1993's The Wedding Banquet, which was another great foodie film, by the way, and finally, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon from 2000. Up next, we bring you another film with a chef as the main character. It's a movie from German writer-director Sandra Nettelbeck.
Tonight on TCM's Friday Night Spotlight, Chef Martina Giedek faces major life troubles in Mostly Martha. Then Albert Finney's gallivanting playboy, Tom Jones. And Glenda Jackson and Jenny Linden are women in love. If you're